Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Amazon Lending Review My Usage Experience. Amazon Lending Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for sellers on Amazon to receive feedback on their product listings and overall brand presence. It aims to help sellers improve their product listings, increase sales, and enhance their brand image. It likely provides features like keyword analysis, competitor research, and review monitoring. Their website provides details on their various packages and pricing. They seem to focus on ease of use and transparent pricing, though specific details would require visiting their site. They claim to provide actionable insights based on data-driven analysis, similar to other market research tools. Availability is likely limited to Amazon sellers, and you can check their website to confirm eligibility. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Amazon Lending Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I signed up using my Amazon seller account, which was really convenient. The interface was clean and intuitive. I found navigating to the different sections, keyword analysis, competitor overview, and review summaries effortless. The keyword analysis tool provided suggestions that were surprisingly helpful. I immediately implemented some of their recommendations and saw a small but noticeable uptick in my product visibility. The competitor overview section gave me insights into my competitors' pricing and marketing strategies, which allowed me to adjust my own accordingly. The review summaries were well organized and highlighted both positive and negative feedback, making it easy to identify areas for improvement. The speed was good, the reports generated quickly, and the data presented was clear and concise. I had a quick question about interpreting a specific report, and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was perfectly acceptable. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, making it inconvenient to check updates on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Amazon Lending Review My Usage Experience. It's a valuable tool that provides actionable insights to help improve my Amazon seller performance, and the intuitive interface makes it easy to use. The standout feature for me was definitely the competitor overview section that provided invaluable insights. That's my overview of Amazon Lending Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.